Nagpahayag naman ng suporta ang Department of Public Works and Highways sa investigasyon kaugnay sa corrupt DPWH engineer na nagtangka umanong suhulan si Batangas 1st District Representative Leandro Leviste. Hindi raw nila kukonsintihin ang ganitong gawain at dapat managot ang nagkasala. Para sa detalye sa naging entrapment operation, magkakausap natin si Colonel Giovanni Emerick Cibalo, ang Provincial Director ng Batangas Provincial Police Office. Magandang tanghali po sa inyo, sir.
Hi ma'am, good afternoon po.
Colonel, paano ba nagsimula yung operasyon na nagresulta nga dito sa pagkakaaresto ng District Engineer sa Batangas?
Yes ma'am, last Friday, around past 6 p.m., our police station received an information, ma'am, that there is a potential case of bribery at the office of the good congressman of the 1st District of Batangas, ma'am. So right away, nagpunta po mismo si Chief of Police ng Taal sa area, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, paano po yung naging coordination ninyo? Paano naging isinagawa yung entrapment?
This is a case of a police response, ma'am. May information po na nakarating sa amin and then immediately na-dispatch po si Jepe.
Oo, pero paano ho natiyak ng kapulisan na lehitimo yung transaksyon ng suhol? Sino hong nakausap nyo or nakipag-coordinate ho ba directly kay Congressman Leviste? Meron ba yung planning kung paano yung magiging entrapment? Paano po, Colonel?
Yes, ma'am. Nag-respond po yung ating police, si Jepe mismo, ng Taal. At pagdating po doon sa lugar na yun, ma'am, nandun na po si engineer at sa the good congressman. Right at the act, nandun po yung evidence, yung pera, ma'am.
So, mismong si Congressman Leviste po yun nandoon?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Opo. Paano po ito? Sa isang restaurant? Paano ho ba? Mayroon ho ba yung, ano ba yun? Meron bang nakadikit dyan na, paano po ba? Mark money lang? Recorded po ba? Yung pag-uusap? May nakatago bang
No, ma'am.
video? Sinet up ba yung entrapment? Paano po, Colonel?
Hindi po siya yung usual case, ma'am, na entrapment operation ng PNP. This is a case of a police response, ma'am. From a credible information, nag-respond yung ating police. Pagdating po doon, andun mismo, right on the act, ma'am. So, pagdating po ng ating tao doon, andun na yung suspect, andun na yung evidence. It resulted into his immediate arrest. Yes, ma'am.
So, Colonel, ang nandoon po, magkaharap si engineer, district engineer at si Congressman Leviste po. Parang saan po bang lugar to? Nasa isang restaurant, coffee shop?
Ito, ma'am, ay sa isang office o holding area ni Congressman, ma'am.
At bit-bit po cash, yung pera.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Nakalagay sa green bag.
Worth 3 million?
bag, yeah.
Tama po ba?
Yes, ma'am. 3,100,000 plus.
Okay. So, maliban po kay district engineer, may iba ba siyang kasama? May iba pang sangkot dito?
Negative, ma'am. Siya lang po yung nagpunta doon that time.
Alright. Nasaan na po si district engineer?
Right now, ma'am, nasa detention cell ng ating police station sa Taal, ma'am. And he is treated well. We observe his rights. And tomorrow, ma'am, yung filing ng case against him.
Alright. Pero ano ho ba yung initial statement na nakuha? Meron na ho ba? Represented na rin ho ba siya ng kanyang abogado?
Yes, ma'am. Sabado po, nagpunta yung lawyer niya. And he is not talking anymore. Nag-refer na lang sa lawyer niya, ma'am.
Ano ho bang kaso ang isasampa sa kanya? Sabi niyo ho, bukas isasampa ang kaso?
Yes, ma'am. We are looking at violation of Revised Penal Code Article 210. Yes, ma'am. And
Which is, ano po yun?
RA 3019.
Ano po yun?
Bribery of Bribery of public officials, ma'am.
At may hawak po bang iba pang ebidensya yung pulisya bukod po dun sa cash?
Right now, ma'am, yun lang po. At merong isang maliit lang na papel, ma'am, and we are still predating kung pwedeng isama sa evidence, ma'am.
Ano po ba yung maliit na papel na yon?
Listahan ito, ma'am, ng parang, it's a summary of a project. We're not confirming it yet, ma'am, kasi we still have to validate kung saan yung source niya.
May nilabas na po bang statement? Paunang salaysay, ito pong si District Engineer.
So far, ma'am, as of today, wala pa po, ma'am.
So hindi po siya nagsasalita. Wala siyang detalyeng.
Yes, ma'am. I think, yes, ma'am.
Alright. Ano po ba ang buong salaysay, kwento ni Congressman Leviste on this?
Meron na pa siyang nirelease, ma'am, na official statement. From what I read, ma'am, I accusing the engineer to that crime, yung violation ng RPC Article 210. And we're looking also at the violation ng RA 3019, ma'am, the anti-graft and corrupt practices.
Pag po ba ganoon, hindi na rin po kinukunan hindi na ho ba nyo kinukunan ng salaysay? Kagaya po, this case, yung nagreklamo ng bribery ay si Congressman Leviste. Paano po ba gugulong o gumugulong ang investigasyon ng kapulisan pag po ganito ang naging kaso, entrapment?
Yes, ma'am. Like the usual thing that we do, kukunan po ng pahayag yung suspect at saka itong complainant. Which is, I think, ma'am, nag-prepare na sila, the good congressman, nag-prepare na ng affidavit nila. And the lawyer is also preparing the affidavit for the engineer, ma'am.
So they have until when? Tomorrow pa lang?
Yes, ma'am. We will file the case, the charge tomorrow.
Pero yung pong official statement mula po dito kay District Engineer, wala po bang deadline yun?
We will allow them, the lawyer, to prepare any statement if they will, but hindi po ito mandatory for them, except for the affidavit.
Alright. Okay. So bukas po inaasahan magsasampa ng kaukulang reklamo laban po kay District Engineer. At sabi niyo po ay dalawang kaso ang isasampa po sa kanya. Pakiulit nga po kung
Yes,
anong mga
ma'am.
kaso ulit yon, Colonel?
Violation of Revised Penal Code Article 210, and then our Republic Act 3019, ma'am, yung Anti-Graft and Corrupt Practices Act.
Alright. Saan po
And
isasampa
then,
yung... Opo, go ahead.
yes, sir.
Go ahead, sir.
With the corresponding evidence, ma'am, yung na-inventory naman ng maayos. So, we're seeing an airtight case here tomorrow, ma'am.
At yung sinasabi niyo pong isa pang ebidensya, maliban po dun sa cash, it's a small paper na may nakalista po ng list ng mga projects.
I saw a few details of a project, ma'am. And hindi ko pa pwedeng i-release kasi we need to validate kung maisama lang sa bag or wrapper lang nung pera.
Alright. So wala pang alam ko. Pero ano ho ba itsura? Ano ho ba yung papel nun? Ano po ba nakasulat doon?
It's a sheet of paper lang, ma'am, with 3 enumerated para project.
3 proyekto. May nakalagay po ba kung magkano?
Wala, ma'am, wala.
Wala po. Ano ho bang sabi ni Congressman? May reaction ho ba siya ukol doon sa papel?
Wala pa, ma'am. Wala so far.
At yun lamang po, saang proyekto po ulit ito, just to be clear, na itong bribe na ibinigay, this particular project, na binigyan siya ng 3.1 million cash na gustong ibigay po ng district engineer?
Right now, ma'am, we don't have any information sa specific na project na ito. But we understand, ma'am, parang percentage ito on a bigger project. Itong pera na recover.
Alright, thank you. Marami pong salamat. Colonel Giovanni
welcome.
Emerick Cibalo, ang Provincial Director ng Batangas Provincial Police Office.